everyone else study science.
Purple study science. We start with Jace.
With Sky and Jace.
Yeah, best.
Not mommy.
Question. The cow is
How heavy?
Option 1, heavy. Option 2,
Which one?
light.
Heavy. The cow
This cow
is heavy.
heavy.
Yep, heavy. Is that heavy? No. I'll read my favorite
Question.
sentence.
The monkey is Option 1, light. Option 2, heavy.
Oh no, the lighter.
Which one's heavy? You?
Heavy the monkey. Heavy the monkey.
Heavy the monk. Yeah.
Question. The ant is
What's heavy?
Option 1, light. Option 2,
elephant.
heavy.
Not the ants.
Yeah. This.
Yes, I
Yeah.
know.
Question. Which object is lighter?
Chair.
Option 1 is an image. Option 2 is an image.
Chair.
Yes. I know it. Cherry.
Bye. Okay.
Question. The butterfly is Option
What's
1,
heavy?
light. Option 2, heavy.
What's heavy? Butterfly. Hey. What's heavy? No, stop mine.
Flower.
Oh, button. Hey, stop mouth.
Question. Which object is lighter?
Ow.
Option 1 is an image.
Mushroom. Not.
Option 2
not
is an image.
mushroom.
That's this not mushroom. Hey, this is not mushroom. This is mushroom.
Not Checky.
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. You lost. Dun 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 dun.
Question. The hen is
The pig is
Option
too
1,
hard.
heavy.
It's heavy.
Option
Yeah.
2, light.
Heavy. See my pajamas.
Oh no, my party car. Mama, birthday.
No.
Question. Which animal
Hey.
is heavier?
Hey.
Option 1 is an image.
You in the book.
Option 2 is an image.
Not funny.
Here, elephant.
Oh.
Elephant, not the mouse. Elephant.
Monkey.
Take it.
Hey.
Question. Which fruit is heavier?
Choose.
Option 1 is an image. Option 2 is an image.
No. Watermelon? Are you sure? Dun 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 dun.
Stop.
Hey, stop awing. And
Question.
there.
The horse is
We're keeping saying
Option 1, heavy.
Because I
Option
don't
2,
know what happened
light.
to my brain. Yeah. Yeah, correct.
I touched this the end.
Thank you very much.
Ay!
Oh, wow.
Ay!
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
for watching.